All right, hey, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to harvest potatoes, and it should be fairly easy because I have them in my 5-gallon containers, and we're gonna go ahead and get right into it. Now, I can't promise you that they're gonna be big because I don't know. That's the exciting thing about it. So let's go ahead and start checking. All I'm gonna do is turn it over, and I could have clipped the edges, but oh well. I'm gonna go ahead and get right into it. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at that big potato. All right. And it's kind of wet because it's rain. And I got some that got messed up. These are big. I was not expecting that. But oh well. That's gonna be good for us. Now I got a couple that got, I know the seed potato, I got one or two that got pretty nasty. Oh, but I am pretty impressed with this right here. Oh yeah, I can't wait to see what's next. I probably should have got them out a little sooner. Let me double check and make sure I don't have any potatoes in here. And let me know in the comments if you repurpose your soil. Let me know what you do so I can do the same thing. All right, let's check this one. Will we have more giants? All right. Pull this out. Don't want to come up. I still got some that's all mushy. Oops. Got some not too bad. Man, I should have pulled these sooner. But oh well. I got some smaller ones. They gonna eat too. Looks nice. It looks nice. And what I didn't do, I did not label all my potatoes. So next year I'm gonna go ahead and do that. But I'm getting some nice potatoes. I just don't like those mushy ones though. All right, I got a lot to go through. Smooth this down because I gotta use this soil over again. I need to plant some things, and I need these 5-gallon containers because those voles are still hurting me pretty bad, hurting my heart. So let me put that over there. And this is so much fun. All right, we're gonna use those small ones too, medium ones, we're gonna use them. Oh yeah. All right, so I don't know I'm gonna do anything with those little teeny ones, but this is so much fun. I was getting kind of worried, be like, oh, he's going through the containers and he don't have any potatoes, but I would have showed it anyway. All right, moving right along. Flip it over. I think I'm gonna always grow in containers because this is so much easier. You don't have to worry about stabbing the potatoes or anything like that. But if you go in the ground, that's cool too. You never know, I may change my mind, but right now I'm loving this. All right, here we go. Oh yep, small one. Oh, that's a medium sized one. That's gonna look good on the dinner plate. Shoot, I can do a lot of different things. Make some French fries. I used to do that a lot. Used to make McDonald's French fries. I YouTubed it. It tastes pretty close to it. All right. And one thing I didn't do, I was supposed to put some of the sulfur over the seed potatoes, but I didn't do it, and I still got nice potatoes, and I got that from one of the old timers. So I normally listen to them because when they tell me something, it normally turns out right. So next time I'm gonna make sure I do that. Put the sulfur across the seed potatoes next time. I didn't do it this time, but I still was able to get some nice potatoes. Boom. I just don't like the ones that rot out, the rotten potatoes. Oh, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. All right, small one. We can do something with that. And make sure. All right, I got a mountain of soil that I gotta remineralize because this is that black cow, and I gotta make sure I repurpose that because that costs a good bit of money. I don't want this sitting here. All right. Next bucket. Ooh. I'm trying to speed it up for you so you can see what I got. Boom. Like I said, it rained yesterday. It's kind of wet. But, oh man, I gotta, uh-oh. I'm gonna do it anyway, but I got ants in this one. So if you hear me hollering, that means I got bit. I probably should have my gloves. How these ants get in my daggone bed? Woo! That's why I froze for a second. I don't think I got bit yet. So those are the things that happen in real time. All right, but I gotta make sure I get my potatoes. So see there? They was gonna get my potato. They ain't getting. I'm sorry. I mean, it was a lot of ants in there. Let me double check. Cause I start hollering, y'all know why. But I'm gonna get my potatoes. Oh yeah. Please, no ants, no ants, no ants. Don't do it, don't do it. All right, I had to double check. More potatoes. Move that out the way. Look at that, looking nice, looking nice. Oh, and one other thing, when you, if you're new to this, when you pull your potatoes out, it's dirty. Don't worry about that because we're gonna cure it, because you don't want to go ahead and start knocking it off because you can tear up the skin, and we don't want to do that. You can lightly brush it off, but I wouldn't even do that. I'm gonna cure it in a box, and then I can deal with my potatoes later. All right, that's all mushy. All right, so small potatoes. Like I say, we're gonna do something with it. Oh yeah, but I'm already excited. The fact that I got some decent sized potatoes and I'm still not finished. Y'all wanna try this one? All right, let's do it. All right, flip it over. No ants, ain't no ants for me. All right, let's go in and see. Man, it's always fun. Yeah, that got nasty. Woo, smell too. Come on now, give me a potato. I got a little small one. All right, that's a nice size one right there. Oh, we rolling. Oh yeah, we're gonna do something with that. Oh, even better, we're gonna do something with it. We are. Make sure again, small one, we got room for you. We got room for you. All right, we're gonna make sure. Oh, this is so much fun. Not knowing if you're gonna get potatoes or not, or decent sized ones. One year when I first started, I didn't really get any potatoes. I was like, man, that was messed up. Let me check this one out, because this one dried out a long time ago. But like I said, it rained yesterday. So I don't know. Yeah, all these should have came out. Look, all messed. I knew it. Because you got different varieties. Ill and ill. Yeah, I ain't gonna mess with that. Let me see. Nope, I ain't gonna mess with it. I should have pulled that one out sooner. I'm gonna put that to the side because I forgot I put different varieties of potatoes. Nope. In there, and that's why I should have labeled them. And I don't think I'm gonna get that. I think that's a seed potato. All right, so that wasn't too good. I left them in there so long they started to vine out, try to make more potatoes. I knew I should have got that, and it's probably gonna be the same one with this bucket too, because I think they finished early. But we shall see. Oh, oh yeah, I'm gonna keep that. Oh yeah, got another one. And they're different because they're different colors. So yeah, next time I'll just make sure that I labeled it, and so I'll know which is which. And if I need to pull them early, then I'll be able to do that. All right, let me see. We almost done. I got 3 more. Oh, and with these bags right here, they were in the sun. I went and pulled it to bring it over to this area, but they snapped. So you got to be careful once they've been out in the sun too long. those handles are not gonna last. They probably, at least mine didn't. Oh, I've been working out all morning in this hot heat. Ooh, this is a workout. Come on. All right, I got potatoes rolling down right now. Boom. And I'm gonna show you the end result of my potatoes. All right, we got some right here. Let me double check. All right, there's another decent one. I want me a huge one. All right, two more. Bring these over. Come on. Flip it up. Something just cracked. The handle. All right, move this out the way. Come on. Uh-oh. Look at these potatoes. Potatoes, and more potatoes. Woo. All right. Double check. Trying to make sure. I got some small ones, of course. Like I said, I'm not going to discriminate. And I hope I didn't lose any potatoes in here. Got these small ones. But when you add them up, they're gonna make a meal. That's right. All right, I think I got this last one. Let's end on a good note. If not, we still ended on a good note. Look at all those potatoes I got down there. I'm gonna let you see it. All right, potatoes falling out already. Boom. That thing, that's the seed potato right there. Small ones. I want a big one now. Uh-oh. I'll take that. Look at that. Nice. Are we done? Are we finished? We got some small ones. I know we got to have one more. I mean, that's one, but come on, let me see if I got another one. Let me get another one. All right, got another small one. So, in all, I don't think that's good. I should have pulled a couple sooner, but I was waiting around. But let me show you what it looks like. All right, here are our potatoes right here. So these are not bad. They look pretty to me, but I bet you they're gonna taste amazing. So all I'm gonna do is get ready to put these in the box, and I'm gonna cure it inside the house for a couple weeks, and then we're gonna start eating. Hey, I hope you're still there, because I just found another bucket. I thought I was done. That's just like when you do your laundry, you reach in the pocket, you find a $5 bill. You know how you feel? That's exactly how I feel. So let's see if we can get some bigger ones or some more. Something tried to jump at me. I don't know what it was. Let's go. All right. Now I found, this is that different color ones. I thought I had another type of potato in here, and I mixed these together. All right, small, still small. I know you got to do me right. We getting there. Oh, small one. Come on now. All right, still small. Come on, baby. Well, that's the seed potato. There we go. Look at that color. Woo, look at that. We got extra potatoes. Is that it? Or do I have any more? Come on now. Do me right. Small. All right, so we did get a medium-sized one out there, but I'm still searching. I don't want the search to end, but looks like it did. But I want to bring that to you. This was the one that we just got. So I'm still excited. Woo! I just want you to see that. Hey, do me a favor. Let me know if you liked the video of the potato harvest. It was a lot of fun for me. I'm gonna always do this in the containers because it's so much fun, so much easier to do the harvest. And also, could you share this video with others so that I could teach them how easy it is to grow your own food in your backyard? So this is Bear Brown. I'll see you in the next video. It should be right here or over there, so you can go check me out in the next video. I appreciate it. Bye.